Aloha romantic friends. Please subscribe for more updates and don't forget to hit the notification bell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action! And today we are going to make a soap called Avocado and Banana Fruit Soap. So basically all this week I'm going to produce videos that features organic food or fruit products in the soap. So here is my concoction of avocado and banana pureed. And this is actually what we're going to be adding into our soap today. And so avocado gives the soap some moisturizing properties, and it also has some benefits for the skin. So let's get started. In this bucket, as always, we got our oils and our lye solution already in our bucket, and we are going to blend everything up and make soap. In today's soap formula, it's a very simple soap. So again, it won't have any fragrance, so I wanted to keep all of the goodness into the soap. I wanted to keep it there. So this makes a great soap for anyone that has sensitive skin. If you take a look at the video, in the description you're going to see a small notation as far as the benefits of avocado. And so I love avocado. I eat it all the time. I really like the texture of the avocado. It's really good for your skin and your hair. And so some people don't like it. It's all about the texture. I basically like the avocado with no salt, no lemon, no zesty. I just like it plain. So avocado, very good for you. And it has a lot of vitamins and minerals in avocado. You want to make sure that you blend up your puree well enough where it's not clumpy or lumpy or frumpy. So most people, when they do their avocado, I've noted in purees, they make it into a slushy. But I'm sure that once I blend it up in my oils, it's going to make it slushy-like. This is actually my first batch of avocado and banana. So we're going to see how this turns out. Actually, it looks really yummy to me. But of course, please don't eat the soap. So I'm just going to hand mix it for just a little bit. Make sure my avocado puree is well incorporated. Okay, so my soap is actually starting to set up very fast from the clays that are in the soap. I know it's supposed to have very thin lines, but these lines will be pretty thick today in this batch. And so I'm just going to go back and forth with the soap, creating these lines, which is horizontal. yellow represents the banana in the soap, and the green the avocado. So next I'm going to actually let that harden up just a little bit, and we're going to come back and perhaps texture the top. And there you have it, guys, the avocado and banana soap. What do you think?